my hands on this for a little while, but I couldn't justify the price. I believe this originally launched at $139 or $149, but recently Newegg actually had this on sale for $99, plus it came with 2 PC games, so I jumped right on it. Now again, this is the ASRock Challenger version, and originally I wanted to get my hands on their low profile version, but I cannot find it anywhere. It's basically the same Intel Arc A380 card, but in a low profile form factor. It would be really great for super small form factor builds, especially putting something like this in a small form factor Optiplex or HP PC. I thought it would be awesome, but unfortunately, I just can't find it. If you have any ideas on where to pick one of these up, or if you run across any listings, let me know in the comments below. But before we go any further with this video, I do want to mention that this video is brought to you by URCD Key.